In this video, I'll walk you through setting up the para method in Evernote. Click the New Notebook button at the top left, type Projects into the name field, and click Create. The Projects notebook appears in your list, and you'll see a confirmation message at the top of the screen. Your new notebook is now ready to use and sits at the top of your notebook's panel. Click the arrow next to Projects to expand it. Click New Notebook again, type Areas into the name field, and click Create. The Areas notebook is created and appears below Projects in your notebook list. You'll see another confirmation message appear briefly at the top. Click New Notebook once more, type Resources, and click Create. Your Resources notebook now appears in the list. Each notebook you create is added to the panel on the left side of your screen. Click New Notebook again, type Archive, and click Create. The Archive notebook is added to your list of notebooks. These 4 notebooks form the core structure of the para method: Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archive. Click New Notebook, type Para into the name field, and click Create. The para notebook is created and appears in your list. Click New Notebook one more time, type Para method, and click Create. Your para method notebook appears and a confirmation message shows at the top. You now have 6 separate notebooks in your sidebar. Now drag the Areas notebook and drop it onto the Projects notebook to create a stack. This groups related notebooks together and keeps your sidebar organized. The notebooks are now grouped together and the screen briefly shows a loading indicator before returning to your notebooks page. Projects becomes the stack name and Areas moves inside it. Click the More Actions button on the Projects notebook to open its menu. The More Actions menu opens, showing all available options for managing your notebook. You'll see options like Rename, Delete, Share, and Move Notebook, among others, in the dropdown. You can drag any of your other para notebooks into the same stack to keep them all organized together. If you need to rename a notebook later, click the More Actions button next to it and select Rename from the menu. Tags work well alongside para for cross-cutting themes like urgent items or specific clients. The para method works by giving everything you capture a home. Projects are things with a deadline, Areas are ongoing responsibilities, Resources are topics of interest, and Archive is for completed or inactive items. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.